I'll show you how to make golden ratio dividers, a tool that lets you see if two distances are in the golden ratio. Cut out the patterns from cardstock. Using a hole punch or a craft knife, cut out the holes. Use a craft knife to cut along the lines that form the tabs. To assemble the pieces, lift the tabs up and curl them in so that the holes can fit over the tabs. Slip the tab through the hole and flatten the tabs again once it's through. Continue assembling the rest of the pieces, matching the letters on the tabs with the letters of the holes. When you open the golden ratio dividers, the two distances are in the golden ratio. The ratio of the distance of the whole span to the large section is also the golden ratio. Try measuring things around the house, or measure photographs to see if you can find the golden ratio.